make pasta. You've been making it for literally an hour.
Hands out.
Chill. Talent, bro. Nah, bro. Hey, what's your talent, bro?
No, that's funny. No. Tell me when. I let the hair out first. 1, 2. Come on. Not your toe meat touching my leg. There's Mountain Dew in there. Oh. There's a raft in there.
Where's my friggin' dollar? If I don't get my dollar, I would take this $75,000 house, rip it apart, tear up everything.
What was it? Where's my freaking dog?
You funny as fuck.
That much of a noticeable difference. Yes, in sound, I did expect that one, but saucy, I didn't.
Slap happy, is that what it feels like? Like you just want to laugh? Everything's funny. I'm just so like tired, but like I just like your eyebrows are so chunky. Not you spitting in my mouth. Not you being dramatic.
Yeah, but you're literally acting.
You literally kissed me. No. Sophie, shut up, nosy bitch.
You guys are like literally like you're like the two
We tried to sing it for them earlier. They don't listen. Kiss one another with just cousin
That's not even
lovers.
the song.
Well, I know what you did last summer. Don't lie, we are cousin lovers. Show me. They know what we did last summer. We are just cousin lovers. Went away, guys. Not Misty watching this. I knew it. I knew. No what? They know.
No, Krista. Hey. Oh.
Okay, get out of my ear. Get out of my ear making cat noises.
Dirty secrets that we keep, but do they know it's killing me? They know, but do they know? Go find the coupons. They came in the mail the next day. I know what we did last summer.
Oh, we are just cousin lovers.
They know what we did last summer. Moonlight glisten. They know what we did last summer. Moonlight glisten. They know. Oh.
Her breath smells so bad, it smells like chicken griddles.
I just knocked over a white dresser on my princess lovers.
Princess cousin. Cafe F move.
Okay, wait, no. Wait. I have a part for me.
Can you stop? Holy shit.
I'm sorry.
Go. Say it.
I did pull it out of my ass.
Hey! She pulled it out of her ass and it was nice and
I have a confession to make.
hey! She pulled it out of her ass. Period. Bye-bye. It's recording. Violet.
Cammy, I know you hate me, but like, I still love you.
Violet. Well, you're Violet. Okay, Shawty, we made this video to say goodbye to you because we're not coming to Christmas. Hope you know that.
Yeah, we're actually not going because we just found out Mom has COVID.
For the second time. She wants to ruin Christmas too.
Krista, don't be like
Shut
that.
up.
Mean.
Fuck.
Sorry.
Get off my dick. Hey.
Please don't hurt me.
Oh, it's my...
Silly.
I'm cross-eyed, guys. Violet! Bye, Chicky. We just wanted to make a video because we know you'll find it when you're making these videos.
Wait, I gotta give her a little surprise. Krista.
Not acne.
Krista, let me show her her surprise. Ready?
From the top, make it drop. Bye, Shawty Bae. I love you.
She's mine now.
Now me and Sophie are gonna go have fun with Daddy. Oh, she's about to catch us. Love you, cheek. Mwah. Kiss it, mwah. Mwah, mwah. Ah, Violet. Oh, I love this song.
Do it for the one time.
Call you in the daylight.
Don't save her.
She don't wanna be saved.
Save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her. She don't wanna be
We're in the car.
We don't wanna prove.
No canoodle.
Be saved.
Hey, Laura.
You know that name, dog. I like niggers. I like niggers.